Have mercy on me, oh my God, according to your steadfast love. Wash me thoroughly from my sin. Cleanse me, Father, from above. Jesus, I stand before you now. I welcome you into my life, right beside where I have fallen. You are the ladder, you're my life. Create in me a clean heart, Lord. Renew a right spirit deep within. Found in my detours, not just my destination. You meet me here again and again. I surrender every burden, every hurt, every fear. You are the King, the center